To mirror your Samsung phone to your smart TV is super easy. Make sure that both the TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, on your phone, swipe to drop down the menu and look for Smart View. If you don't have it, swipe left and press on the plus button and drag it to add it. Once you press the Smart View button, if your phone and TV are on the same network, your TV will automatically appear. When you want to disconnect, simply press again the Smart View button and it will disconnect. Also, here's a pro tip. Press the Smart View icon on your phone and from here you can change the aspect ratio to match your TV, not your phone. I hope this video helped.